Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, I wanted to dive in a little bit deeper since Popcaan and Drake have officially announced that he is signed to UVU. It has been speculated for a long time that Popcaan was going to be signed to UVU, but it wasn't made public and it was just speculation. But now it's official. They have said it out in public. The deal has been inked, and I wanted to divulge into that a little bit more. And I also wanted to talk about Unruly Fest and compare and contrast it to Sumfest and Sting. If you guys watch my previous video when I was actually talking about Unruly Fest, I compared it to Sting, but I want to take it a little bit further and compare it to both Sting and Sumfest. So let's get into it. So Popcaan is officially signed to UVU, and I've always said that I feel like Popcaan is going to be the next dancehall artist to break into the international media or get a big crossover song, and he is somebody that I feel like can also win a Grammy. He possesses all those qualities to me, and I feel like if Popcaan was allowed to fly, he would have definitely been nominated for a Grammy already, or would have won a Grammy. Remember that Popcaan was actually supposed to perform at the 2017 Red Bull Culture Clash in Atlanta, and at the last minute they said that he couldn't make it, and that was because he couldn't get his work permit to fly to the US to actually perform at that event. And it was a big disappointment to a lot of his fans and everybody that was looking forward to see him perform. But I think if given the opportunity, he is going to be the next dancehall artist to actually cross over. And I know dancehall artists like Mavado have crossed over and done big collabs, but I'm talking about crossover as in he can sit with the greats then, per se, or him can say, all right, I'm one of the greats because I've been nominated for a Grammy, or I have a Grammy. Because as you guys know, a lot of Jamaicans say if you haven't won a Grammy or haven't been nominated for a Grammy, then that's the end all be all, per se, for some Jamaicans. And I feel like he can definitely go that far and push dancehall music to those extent. And the reason why I'm saying this, I've said it in previous videos. If you go back and watch, or if you're old to my channel, oldie and goodie to my channel, you would know. But him signing to Drake is gonna give him an opportunity to have the best producers, the best beat makers, the best engineers, and he's going to also be able to collaborate with some of the best international artists. Okay, Drake is all the beefs that Drake had previously, they are no more. So he is good with everybody, and now Popcaan is in that UVU family, and all those people are going to be an extension to him, and he's definitely setting himself up for greatness. And when I mean greatness, I mean like Grammy, international stardom, and crossover potential. So let's talk about Unruly Fest. In my first video, if you watched that months ago that I did, talking about the Unruly Fest, the lineup, and my prediction of Drake actually being a surprise performer, which actually came true because he performed, but I compared it to Sting. And I feel like if Popcaan continues Unruly Fest annually, he is going to be, this stage show is going to be the next thing or the next Sumfest. Honestly, I feel like people are wanting fresh, innovative people to do these stage shows, and they also want people that knows the business, that are in tune with the business, to actually do these stage shows and actually curate them, meaning setting up the lineup, setting up the performers, setting up people that they know can perform and can deliver a great set. A lot of the times with some of these stage shows, they put on a whole lot of performers or a whole lot of artists, and then when it comes down to it, they cannot perform on stage. They cannot entertain the crowd, and most of the people that pays for their ticket feel like it was a waste of money because they only went there and got 3 to 4 good performances, 3 to 4 good entertainers that did their job. So I feel like if Popcaan actually continues with Unruly Fest, he's going to be one of those persons like Ling or Joe Bogdanovich that is going to have that niche for these events, okay, for these stage show. A lot of people are going to start flying down just for Unruly Fest if he continues, and a lot of people had a lot of high expectations for Unruly Fest, and Popcaan definitely delivered. And do I think he can deliver in the future? With the way he's setting up himself in the entertainment field, I definitely feel like he's going to be able to bring in and pull in some big names if he continues this annually. And this is also a charity event to help where he's from. St. Thomas is all for a good cause. So Popcaan is doing his thing. He's aligning himself with the greats, and he is about to be a dancehall artist to be reckoned with. He was featured in Netflix. He just dropped an amazing album, and he signed to Uvu. So comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Do you think Unruly Fest have the potential to be bigger and greater than Sting and Sumfest? And what do you think about Popcaan signing to Uvo? And do you think that Popcaan have the potential to be a Grammy nominee or a Grammy winner? Comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.